The selfie. It's the staple of social media.
We take so many more pictures now than we used to, and there's so many more pictures of ourselves.
With all that snapping at an arm's length away, there's bound to be plenty of not-so-flattering lines and looks revealed in those close-up candids.
Identifying a line, a crow's feet around the eye, or you may think your lip isn't full enough, or your nose isn't quite where you want it to be.
The age of the selfie is fueling new anxiety when it comes to beauty. It is no longer enough to look good in the flesh. Now people feel a crushing need to stand out in the online world.
That does impact a lot of what people come in talking about, complaining about.
Austin plastic surgeon Ned Snyder sees the selfie obsession fueling cosmetic procedures among younger people who are turning to smaller fixes over plastic surgery, in large part to look good in their profile pics.
What they're looking at in particular is facial aging, and it's people that in that, say, 35 to 45 year age range didn't used to pay attention as much to aging of their face. And I think now they are coming in and complaining about whether it's fine lines or early jowling or flattening of their mid-face, the things that are really well addressed with fillers.
So what are people using to look good in their selfies? Nose jobs, chin implants, eyelid surgery, Botox. And it's not just millennials who want to look better. So do baby boomers.
People will come in now and have hyaluronic acid injected into their nose, and that will be their temporary look at a change to their nose.
Dr. Rob Whitfield, who is a plastic surgeon in Austin, says many times the patient wants to take baby steps towards something like rhinoplasty or a nose job. But most of the time they come back for the full-blown procedure after that temporary fix.
And it's already proven that that alone will actually steer more people towards having surgery and rhinoplasty as a permanent fixture for them.
A permanent fixture that is possible, achieving a well-rested natural look. So your next selfie is your best selfie. For the Plastic Surgery Channel, I'm Dawn Tongish.